Hello and welcome. This is Varun, Technical Advisor Design and Prototyping and Educational Consultant for tutormash.com. In this session, we will be discussing about basic editing commands. There are many editing tools in AutoCAD. The basic tools are erase, undo, redo, oops. Erase is a command which is used to delete the elements in a drawing. Undo is used to delete the previous action in the drawing. And the next one is redo. Redo reverses the effects of a single undo command. That means if you have did any deletion in the previous action, redo command will help you to do that action again. And the last one is oops. Oops is a command used to restore the object erased by the last erase command. So let's see each options in detail in the software. So now let's see the first command, that is the erase command. So before doing the erase command, let me draw some geometrical shapes in my drawing. So in order to access the erase command, you have to type E and press enter. So now your erase option is activated. It is asking to select the objects. That means you have to select the objects which you want to delete from your drawing. So now when you bring your cursor near to the object, you can see a small cross mark in the cursor and the object becomes slightly blurred. So that means that object will get deleted. So let me select this one and this one. So after selecting your objects, you can press enter or spacebar. So now you can see the selected objects were erased or deleted. So the next command is undo. Undo command is used to delete the previous action. The previous action which we did was erase. So let me access undo. The shortcut for undo is U and press enter. So now you can see the object which were erased were restored back. So let me draw one more line here like this and access the command undo, U and press enter. So now you can see the previous action, that is the line command, was deleted. You can also use Ctrl+Z in your keyboard to access this option. Or you can come over here in the quick access menu bar and you can click on this undo option. Both are also possible. So the next command is redo. So the redo command is used to restore the previous effective undo command. So that means suppose I have a line like this. I have undooed it. Now if you want that line back, you can type redo and press enter. So it will restore the line which you have undooed now. You can also access redo command from the option available here. The next and the last option is oops. So let's see how oops is done. Consider I am drawing a line like this. Then I will draw a rectangle. Again I will draw a circle. Now after drawing this, I thought I don't need this rectangle anymore. I will delete this and I will continue my drawing like lines, again a rectangle, again a circle. So like that you are building your drawing more and more. But at some situation I thought that, oops, I have deleted that rectangle. I wanted it back. So in the present scenario, what we will do is we have to undo all the drawings and redraw the rectangle and bring all the drawings back. So it's a bit risky task if you are doing many complex designs. So oops will help you to redraw the previous erased object. So the previous erased object was rectangle. So when you type oops in your command line and press enter, you can see the rectangle restores back without deleting or editing any other options. So that's the end of this session. Hope you understood well. Keep posting your queries and feedback. And for more videos, log on to www.tutormash.com. Thank you.